Hello, welcome back to Jilly's Nails. We're on day 14 of 31 days of Halloween nails. We're almost halfway, I can't believe it. So, today we are going to do a really cute, super easy pinup witch style mani that also glows in the dark. You'll have to wait all the way to the end, and as you watch, it'll transition through a regular photo, a blacklight photo, and then the glow in the dark photo, which is kind of hard to do, but it's there. So we're going to go through, do the peel off base coat, let it dry. And then we are going to use Sucker Punch from Sinful Colors. Uh, I wanted to do red at first, but that deep pink was just jumping out at me. It's got a little kind of glittery shimmer in it. It's a little sexy. We're doing a little pin-up sexy witches, so I thought it would be fun. And I just went ahead to do this darker pink color. It is very sheer on the first layer. The second and third layers are not third. I don't do three layers ever. It's got to be real bad for me to do three layers. But the second layer does give me pretty much full opacity. Again, my natural nail tips are super, super, super like bright white. So there's a lot of times that they show through stuff. And again, I'm not going to do three layers. Not happening. So we're going to go ahead and do the second coat of polish over all of the nails and let it very thoroughly dry. It's very important that you let this dry all the way because there are several layers of polish that go into this. We're already on the third layer. And the next layer that we're going to do, I'm going to put two coats on. I'm going to use the Sinful Colors Glow in the Dark polish. I bought it a couple years ago. I think maybe it's starting to get a little bit old, but we'll get to that in a minute. There it is. I also used a glitter polish on the other nails that are not going to have the witches on them. That is called Decadent. Ugh, if you can find that glitter, it's from Sinful Colors. So freaking pretty. It's absolutely stunning. So I put that on the other nails and then top coat everything. I decided to go ahead and add glitter to that one. I was just going to do it on the index at first, and I was like, no, 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 it needs it. So I put glitter, top coated, and then we are going to go in at some point when we're done playing with glitter and top coat, I guess. There it is. We're going in with the glow in the dark nail polish. Now, this one I got, like I said, a couple years ago. I think it is getting a little bit old, so it kind of is spotty a little bit, but I still think it's cute and I like it. And if you look there in the center of that plate, you'll see the three different pinup style witches that are the options on this plate. This is another one of those that came from that company Wayline. Never heard of them. The plates work great though, and I really liked them. I think there was four plates for $8 or $10, something like that. So it's not bad. It was fairly decent pricing and really cute, cute Halloween stuff. So we're going to put the latex peel off barrier around just in case. I'm really tired right now, guys, of trying to clean black friggin' nail polish out of my cuticles. My poor cuticles are just dying from this challenge. It's not a challenge. Why do I keep calling it a challenge? From my little 31 days of Halloween. So I'm trying to keep black polish off of them as much as I can because it's, for whatever reason, that stuff really sticks to my cuticles. It's very hard to get off. I'm going to use my Maniology Ice Cube stamper and pick up that first little pinup witch. They're so cute. Now, I will say this as a disclaimer. From a distance, they kind of look like little weird black blobs. But up close, it's very clear that they are pinup witches. I really think they're cute. I really like it. It's not normally a style that I would use, but the more I looked at it, the more I was like, those are really awesome. I love it. And so we kind of just made the whole manicure overall a little bit sexy, a little bit fun with some little pinup witches. So we're going to go, I'm doing two different styles of them on there. One kind of just has her hip cocked out and the other one's kind of, like the trucker mud flap pose. So we'll stamp them both down. I'm going to very thoroughly make sure that those are dry before I do anything else with them because I have a sneaking suspicion it will smear on me if I do not. So I'm going to go ahead and take that latex barrier off while those are drying. That way I can double check my cuticles and make sure they're all clean, and then I'm going to go in with the Sally Hansen Quick Dry Top Coat. And I think I still did get a little smear, and I'll let those suckers sit for a minute, more than a minute. But there they are. I think they are super cute. I really hope you enjoyed this manicure. If you did, click on my face in the upper left-hand corner. If you want to see more, click on the right corner to go to my playlist, and I'll put somebody else down below who's great at nail art. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.